Hello guys, welcome to Python Flicks. So in this video we will start play with Python. Okay, so we will discuss very basic and very important topics in this video. So the topics are value and type. So what are the values and what is value, I will let you know here, and how we can get the type of value in Python. Okay, then variable. So what is variable and how we can define the variable name, all the naming conventions of the variable coming here. Then we will move to the keywords. So we can't use variable name as a keyword or keyword as a variable name. Okay, so complete things or lots of fun we will see here. Then we will play with operators and operands. Okay, so what is operator, how we will use the operators with operands, and how we will apply the operators to operands. Okay, then we will move to the expression and statements. Okay, so what is expression and what is the difference between expressions and statements. Then we will move to order of operation. So here we will play with the precedence, what arithmetic operators will come first and how it will be performed. Okay, so based on precedence we will cover here. Then the last topic is getting input from the user. So for any application it is very important to getting the input from the user. Okay, so when you are going to make any industrial application, so there you will use this getting input from the user. Okay, and I will cover how to comment and all these things I will tell you there, and lots of debugging we will do. Okay, in this video. So let's move to the practical session. So complete things are in practical, and let's move to that. Okay, before moving to the main section, let's play with Python. Okay, so just go in python.2.7 and open IDLE. Here we will write the code. Only in this video I will write the code here, and other code I will write in Eclipse. Okay, because for computation it is good. So we will play something and then we will move to the main section. Just import sys. Okay, this is the one library. You can import it, and how you can, suppose you want to print your path, in which path it is existing. Okay, just sys dot path. So it will give you the path where, okay, this is that path you enter in your environment variables or where Python is existing. Okay, complete path will come. Then it is if you want to, like I told you in previous lecture, if you want to know your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, then simply just put sys dot platform. Okay, win32. And suppose you want to know the process ID. If you want to code in your operating system, then you need some process ID, right? For that, what you have to do is just import OS. This is also a library, because I told you Python is very vast to use. Okay, so you can interact with your operating system also. So OS dot get PID, one function is there, so it will return you the process ID. What are the processes running for this Python? Okay. If you want to know the current directory, how you can know? Sys dot current, CUR, current directory, DIR. Okay. Sorry, what is something? Import module object has no attribute. Oh, sorry, it's not from sys. It's OS dot. You want to know the current directory. Okay, it will give you dot because you run directly here in same folder. That's why it is giving you dot.
Otherwise, if you will run from your like command line, I will write here. So Python just import OS. Now you want to go know the current directory OS dot cdir. Sorry, cdir. This is dot. So current directory will give you the current directory. Okay. Now let's move to the value. First question is value and type. Okay. So value is the thing that what we are using in program. So suppose you have one string like hello. This is also a value, but in string format. How you will identify it as a string? Because it is enclosed with quotation mark. Okay. And what the value can be? Like 45. It is a number, but it is also a value. But and 5.6 is floating value, and like that you can know. Okay, but no need to worry about this. We can get the type of the value in Python directly. So how you will get the type? Just type here type in small type. This is the function and pass the parameter. So if you want for hello, it will give you the type of that value string. Okay, so that's why it's very simple and very interesting Python. Okay, you no need to worry about anything, or no need to mug up anything. Okay, so just give the here, and you can know the type of the value, and you can use it. If you don't know, suppose you are making any application and you don't know what are the user for input. Okay, what is the type of the value, whatever user is giving the input. So for that it is very easy. Just type and give the pass the parameter, and you can grab that. Okay. One also example I will show you. Type that's 5.6. Okay, this will give you the float like that. So double, long, and all types will be given there. Now I will move to the variable. What is variable? So variable is the name that refers to a value. A name, I will write here, a name that refers to a value. So this is the value, and I want to store this value into any location. So that location label, I can say, if I want to store this value into a memory, and that memory label called variable. So it refers. Example like name. Okay, name equals Rahul. So Rahul is the string type value, and assign equals means assign to the name variable. So I will write here name equals, same thing I will write here also, Rahul, so that parallelly you can do practical also, right? So this is the variable, but some limitations are there. What are the limitations to define this name, variable name? So one limitation is there, you can't use number in starting of your variable name like that. NAME name equals. Oh, so syntax error. So this is the first limitation. You can't use number in starting. Okay, and you can use underscore, or suppose you can use it inside name 34 like that. If you will do like that, so Rahul, it will work. Okay. Now we can use underscore also. How? Name underscore 34 equals Rahul. Okay, it will work. Like num is equal to 45. What it is? Num. Sorry, num equals 45. So it will work. But if I will use special character means num at equals 35. It will give you the syntax error. Suppose other special character I am using num this equals to 20. It will give also a syntax error. So you can't use a special character to define the variable name. It is the special naming of the variables. Okay. After that, suppose underscore also we can use in starting underscore name underscore or something like. It is a combination of, we can say, letters underscore and numbers. Name. So it will work. If you will do underscore and underscore only, then also it will work. But you should know, like you should not do like that, because it don't have any meaning. So name should be like, it should be like that, so that it should have some meaning. Okay, like first name, first. How you will write? First underscore name. Okay, like before. Okay, so this is also a name, first name. So this is the correct way to write the variable name. So don't write capital letter first. Suppose first name. Don't write like that, because if you will do the PyDoc standard, so it's not good. Okay, that thing I will tell you later in another lecture. So naming conventions, how we can define the names. Okay, and I will teach you that classes and all. Okay, so now this is the how you can make your variable name. So variable name is a combination of number, characters and underscore. Other special character will not work. Okay, so lots of things we did here. Now keywords. We have some keywords. So keyword says, what is keyword? Keyword is the interpreter use keyword to recognize the structure of program. Keyword used to recognize the structure of program. So we have some predefined words, or it is a selective word which is used to recognize the structure of program to interpret them. So there are 31 reserved keyword in Python 2. Okay, so you can in the next lecture you will see, whenever we will move to the next series, then you will see all the keywords like class, for, in, not, exec, elif, if, all these things. Okay, so don't use them. Okay, now let's move to the operators and operands. An example is 6 plus 5. Okay, so here plus is only this plus is the operator, and 5 and 6 both are operands. So we can define operators are special symbols that represent computation. It can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. Okay, so if I will write a statement like 5 plus 6, so 5 and 6 are the operands and plus is the operator. So here operator is addition. Okay, and we can define the operands. How we can define it? The value the operator applied to called operands. So operator is the plus and we are applying the value 6 and 5, that is operand. Okay, so this value 6 and 5 are the operand and plus is the operator. So here we have an interesting operator, that is division. So I will play with that and just see. Okay, so if you will divide like 8 divided by 2, what will the output? 4. Exactly. Okay, now just 8 divided by 3, what will the output? Now the output should be 2.3. The output should be 2.333 something, right? But the output is coming 2. Why? Because 8 is the integer and 3 is the integer. Okay, so when we are dividing integer by integer, it will give the output only integer, not in floating. If you will change the 8.0 means dividend, if you will change dividend to float and now you are dividing to 3, then you will get the result. Oh sorry, 2.6. Okay, so it will come in floating point. Now if you will change the divisor in floating, then you will get the exact answer. Okay, now if you want to the exact answer but not want to use this float as divisor or dividend, how you will do? For that we have one, you have to import from future. I will talk about this in later lecture. Import division. What happens? From you have to import future. Import division. Okay, why is error coming? Import division, no module name future. Future, right? Future or future? Future, right? Okay, so actually it is not a future is something from underscore underscore. You have to type double underscore. fu future double underscore, then import division. Okay, now write the same code like 8 divided by 3. Now you got the exact answer. So this is an interesting topic here. So you will import the division from future module and now you can perform the task as you want. Okay, so now we will move to the order of operator. We have lots of operators. Now how it will work? Okay, so order of operator. Operator. Okay, the order will be it depends on precedence of your operator. So precedence will be like PEMDAS. What is the meaning of PEMDAS? P is the parenthesis. So first of all, we have to give the precedence to parenthesis. Like if you have something inside parenthesis here, I will use example like inside parenthesis 2 plus 3 close parenthesis minus 1. So what will be the output? First of all, 2 plus 3 or sorry 2 plus 3 will be calculated because it is inside parenthesis, then minus 1. So 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 1 is 4. Okay, so like that. So first of all, parenthesis, then precedence will be E. E stands for exponential. Okay, exponential. I will write here exponential. Exponentiation. Okay, exponentiation. So how will exponentiation here? One is 2. If you will write like 2 multiply symbol 2 times and 3. What is the meaning of this? 2 to the power 3. Okay, whenever you will write here in code also 2 to the power 3, so it will give you 8. Okay, so second precedence to exponential operator. So if you will write here like 2 multiply by 2 exponent of 3, so how it will be executed? So first 2 to the power 3 is 8, multiplied by 2 is 16. Okay, so first this will execute because the precedence is high, then it will execute. Now M stands for multiplication and division, MD, sorry. So M is, we can say, multiplication, and D is, I will write here because both are same precedence, D is division. Okay, so this operator, so both have same precedence. Okay, same precedence. Okay, same precedence. Now how it will be executed? Example, I will tell you example. So if you will write 4 multiply by 5, so it will come 20. 2 multiply by 4 divided by 1, or sorry 2. How it will execute now? Both has same precedence, but what will be the first? First will execute, we will execute from left to right. So left execution will be done first, then right. So left is 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Okay, I will write here if you are not able to get. Okay, so same precedence. So example, 2 multiply by 4 divided by 2. If you have this, then how you will do? So first of all, you have to go from left to right, left to right. Okay, so it will be 2 into 4 is 8 and divide by 2. Okay, then 8 divided by 2 is 4, so output will be 4. Okay, fine. Now you are getting here 4.0. Why floating? Because you imported this division. That's why you are getting the exact answer. Okay. Now, so till now it is completed, multiplication, division. Now addition and subtraction. So same precedence, addition and subtraction also. Addition is, I will write like that, plus, and subtraction. So the last is subtraction. Okay, this operator. So both has same precedence. Okay, like that you can see. So I will give you the example of this also. This example: 4 plus 5, okay, minus 3. What will the output? So first, 4 plus 5 is 9, and minus 3, and minus 3 is 6. 4 plus 5 minus 3, sorry, 4 plus 5 minus 3. So it is 6. So like that. So you have to go from left to right. Example I will give you here also. The same thing I will write so that you won't confuse. Example is 4 plus 5 minus 3. So first of all, 4 plus 5 means 9 minus 3. Then 6. Okay. So how you are executing? From left to right. Fine. So this is the precedence of operator. So you can remember using PEMDAS. Actually, it's a short form of this. P for precedence, P for parenthesis, E for exponentiation, M for multiplication, D for division, and A for addition and subtraction. So I will let you know one example. It's a big example, and I will cover all these operators here. Okay, like I will create one statement: P multiply by 2 plus 5 divide by what we can say 10 divided by 5, okay, plus 4 multiply by 3 minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, so this is the expression and you want to calculate it. So how you can calculate? So first of all, precedence is parenthesis. Okay, so whatever statement in parenthesis, just write it down. So 3 into 2 is 6 plus 10 divided by 5 is 2, and leave it as it is, plus 4 multiply by 3 minus 6 divided by 2. Now see, we have the operators addition, multiplication and division. Now the precedence is multiplication and division. So first multiplication and division will be done. But how it will done? This is the from left to right. So this is the precedence. So now like 6 I will write as it is, 6 plus 2 plus 4 into 3 is 12 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, now you have the same precedence, addition and subtraction. So first of all you have to go from left to right. So left to right is 6 plus 2 will be your 8 plus 12 minus 3. Now again left to right, 20 minus 3. What will be the output? Now 7. Okay, so same thing I will write here, like in parenthesis 3 multiply by 2 plus in parenthesis 10 divided by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 3 minus 6 divided by 2. So same statement I written here. Okay. So I will enter 70. Like that you can calculate. Okay. So it's a big operation here. Now let's move to the next thing. Next is how to get the input from the user. It is the last topic of this tutorial. Getting input from the user. Okay. Getting input from user. For that we have one function so that you can use x. Suppose x is a variable equals input. We will write some string here. Enter the value of x. Okay. So here you can give the value like 60. Now y equals for that. So what it will do? Input take the value from the terminal and it will assign to the x variable. Okay. Now enter the value of y. Suppose 50. Now just you can print it. Print x plus y. You can now perform any operations, right? So it's 110. So like that you can take the input from the user. Now I will tell you the comment, how to comment. Okay, just go to your Eclipse. Here you have some file, like I have first.py. So I will write here some code. Okay, like same code I will write here. X equals input. Okay, x equals y equals input. See how much time we are reducing using Eclipse. Okay, and print what you want to print, x multiplication of y. Okay, now run it. Okay, so in console you have to give your input. So now, sorry, I will write here so that you won't confuse again. Okay, so x is equal to 4. Now you have to give y is equal to 6. Output is 22. Okay, like that. So you can take the input from the user. Now how to comment your code? If you want to do single line comment, just press S. Okay, it's a single line comment, and you want to do like multi-line comment, then this triple quotation and close it where you want to close. So these two lines got commented here, and if you want to do single line, then it will be commented. Okay. Yeah. So in this lecture we cover a lots of things like values, type of values, and operators, operands, what is the precedence of operator, arithmetic operator, how it will work, and what is the naming convention, what are the keywords we are using. Lots of things we learn